Hey everybody, I hope everybody's doing good tonight. We're going to give it just a few seconds to let some more people hop on here. Let me situate myself. I was not ready. I thought I was ready. My other phone was not open. Hey everyone, give me just a moment. I'm trying to finish getting situated. I kind of messed up. I just want to be able to see your guys' comments. Go.
Just come here.
Okay, so, if you guys got questions, I got answers. I am Nicholas White, CEO, owner of JLSW Media, whole life hosting. We present to you guys FreeSpace, sorry. That is in the comments. Can you bring it down just a little bit? I feel like I have to yell. Hi everyone, sorry. Give me just a second, I got a little flustered there. So, I'm Nicholas White. I am the owner and CEO of FreeSpace, JLSW Media. I am here to answer your guys' questions about the platform. Hey Mike, thanks for joining us. Who else is here? Nobody's saying nothing. Hi Diana, thank you for joining us again. So I think some of the biggest things that we got going on the platform, or at least going on with the old platform right now, because that's what everybody is using, is the understanding of can we or can we not post political stuff on a home or family feed? And the answer is simple. No. It's not going to be allowed now. It's not going to be allowed when we have the new platform as well. Maybe I should go somewhere a little bit quieter. He's too loud. I'm sorry, I got my kid going off in the background. He's really distracting me. Do I play instruments? No, I never learned. I like instrumental music. Oh, by the way, I do not own rights to this music. It just happens to be playing in the background. Hi, Faith. Maybe after I successfully launch this platform, I'll pick up playing an instrument. So for you that don't know what FreeSpace is, it is a conjunction or a combination of all the major social medias out there. We've taken a little piece of each one and kind of clumped them all together to give you guys an overall experience without being tracked by their advertisements, without having Google or Facebook track everything that you do. We don't target you with ads. I'm trying to stay away from pop-up ads. I think they're kind of annoying. I think a lot of people feel the same way. There are advertisements in the platform, but they will never be for a large box store or a large conglomerate. We are a small business offering you guys a large platform that is going to free you from the big business and political machine. Hey, Reggie, thanks for joining me. Jake, how are you? I see a few other people in here. How do you avoid being monitored? How do I avoid it, or how do you guys avoid it? I don't know if I understand that. I think you're asking, like, how does the platform stop from being monitored by Google and these other big tech companies. It's pretty simple. We run the majority of our services on a cloud server system that we have complete control over. We do lease some servers right now. We're leasing them so we can offer you guys the some of the features that my cloud servers just can't handle yet. We're looking at buying a server bay, like an actual a data house, a data warehouse. We're looking at buying one by the end of the year, hopefully, and then we'll stop being dependent upon everybody else. But most of our content is ran through cloud servers. We follow all FCC rules, meaning that there's no, we do not allow calls for violence, or sexual acts, or inappropriate behavior with children in the main feeds. If you guys talk in the private chat rooms, we don't monitor them. So if you're chatting with your friends in your messenger, we don't really monitor that. If you make your group private, we don't really monitor that either. You, at that point, you control who you let in, you control who you let out. If we find out that there's a group calling for violence, we'll shut you down. If we find out that there's a group for sexual activity, we will shut you down. If we find out that you are in some way selling human beings or other sexual acts within our platform, using our platform for illegal or illicit activities, I myself will call the cops on you. Just because we are a freedom of speech platform does not mean that we do not follow the laws. Alright? That's a very big misconception, okay guys? When it comes to the platform, I want you guys to understand that there's a very small spot that you guys cannot talk however you want. But if you guys go into groups, or you guys create a forum, or you guys have a vlog, you guys don't have to worry about getting shut down for how you feel. Only if you're calling for violence, you guys have sexual acts on your main feed, or you're doing inappropriate shit with kids. I mean, we all are human, we are all adults for the most part. We will allow kids on our platform, and that is why we must keep our family/home feed free of political and inappropriate things. I hope I'm being clear about what I mean. I hope people are not taking this like they took Trump words. Okay, I'm very, very straightforward with what I mean here. So, like, the home feed or the family feed, there is zero public, political posts. None. We're not going to put up with it, we're just going to delete it and keep moving. You can repost it in a forum, in a group, in a political area. Right now the site is down until tomorrow. You can find the old platform on Google. We have the FreeSpace. I will share that in a minute. The web-based browser is... Oops. There you go. That is the URL for the website. It will be up sometime tomorrow. It may have to go down on Monday again for a few hours, but we're going to try and bring it back up tomorrow. Actually, give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna bring the platform actually back on here tonight. www.freespace.social, and then Monday we're going to go down for an additional 6 to 8 hours for the migration. My development team did not finish before they went home for the weekend, so that might be an issue. We'll work on that, guys. So I'm going to open it back up tomorrow, but it may have to go back down on Monday. I'm not sure. We'll find out. Sorry, this is the problem with tech, guys. Nothing is definite. Nothing is precise. All right. Everything like any other machine has its bugs. It has its kinks, and it has to be worked out. One moment. But let's see. I can name probably 5 things off the top of my head that I know people are going to love about the platform. 1, you guys don't have to worry about hearing political or negative things in your home feed or your family feed. 2, you guys are going to have me live streaming like what we're doing right now. 3, we're going to have a TikTok forum where you guys will be able to make the videos and the challenges. 4th, I think you guys are going to appreciate this the most. You guys are free from getting tracked by big business. So, like, even right now, they're tracking us. The only reason I'm still on Facebook is because I want to get the word out there. I'm not a millionaire out here trying to make millions for a big business. I am a little guy. I just have my small little media company, and I'm working super hard on protecting your guys' rights and my own as well. If you guys have more questions about FreeSpace, I have plenty of answers. When we launch the application, you guys are going to be able to choose what theme you guys get to look at. Ooh, excuse me. What I mean by this is you're going to get to choose in between a Twitter theme, a Facebook theme, a Pinterest theme, all these different themes, like whatever you're used to for your social media, you're still going to be able to have that as your main feed, or like what you see, your main theme, and your main theme, what you guys see, and you'll still get all the same content that somebody of another theme has. So you and your friend do not have to be on the same theme to be friends. The theme is more than just the color. It's the entire layout. From how, where the buttons are, how the menus come out, to the colors, everything changes with the theme. Hi, I see I got a lot of people in here tonight that probably don't know who I am. Or at least I don't know who you guys are. And I really hope that I get to know who you guys are. Thank you guys for joining me tonight. Please hit that like button. Please hit that share button. They're right there next to the write a comment. If you guys have any questions about FreeSpace, JLSW Media as a company, what we believe in, our core values are very simple. We don't want to use your data for gain. We want to use your data to make your lives easier. We don't want to track you guys through our platform, and we don't want to track you guys after you're off our platform. We're not going to listen to you to find out what we can sell you. We're not going to, none of that. We're not going to stop you from having a conversation because your views don't match mine. If you guys don't know yet, this is our platform, guys. When I say ours, I mean theirs. The people that don't agree with me, your guys is the ones that do agree with me, and mine. I put myself last, and I'm the one that built the platform. If you guys don't have that same mindset, maybe FreeSpace is not the place for you. Maybe you're not American enough for it. I'm okay with this. If hate is what's in your heart, and you don't know how to get out of this machine, there's a button. It's called FreeSpace. Join us. Learn what it means to not be tracked by advertisements. Learn what it means to truly be free of the political machine that's trying to divide our country. These are just my beliefs. These are not anything that is based on any study. Okay, guys? You can debate with me on this all day. I created a page for that. There's a whole group over on my platform where you guys can debate my beliefs, okay? I hope to see people that don't have my same beliefs on my platform. Otherwise, there's no unity, guys. Democrats, liberals, independents, I call for you. Okay? Because without you guys, there's no unity. Republicans, there's no unity without you guys. Alright? There's no unity without all of us. We are all human. We're all humankind. We can choose to be one, or we can choose to be both. I choose to be both. Human and kind. I've put forth a goal this year to help 1 million people. I'm already well on my way to being at 1% of that goal. I thought 1% of that goal was going to take me a lot longer. And that's honesty. We've now reached 1,000 people on the app. And David, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me. It says I only got a couple people in here. I hope there's more. Please like, share, comment. I'm just in here talking about FreeSpace, trying to get things done, trying to free you guys from big business, trying to free you guys from the divide of the governmental machine, the political machine. Our site by no means is meant to be a political stance. Our site is a unity site. We are here to reunite. We want unity, and we want you guys to be human and kind. Hey, Tanya, thanks for joining me. I want you guys to know that, I'm out here fighting for your guys' rights. I've created a platform where you have the freedom to speak. I only take that right away in a very small part of that platform. It is called your home feed or your family feed. You cannot talk political. You cannot talk debatable. That little area of our platform is meant for unity, for your family and your close friends, for you guys to share ups and downs, pains and sorrows, happinesses and congratulations, not to divide you guys. We have a platform built in a healthy way of debate. You have a forum, you have groups, you have private pages where you guys can argue about politics all day if you feel like it. It's just when I scroll through my family feed, I know I don't like to see it all the time. It kind of gets my heart racing, gives me a little panic attack, and I just don't want to do it anymore. That's why I created FreeSpace. The design inside of... Hey, happy Easter, Michael. How are you, man? We hit 1,000 people on the platform. We are continuously getting... Sorry. People are continuously talking about us on different social media platforms. Everybody is excited about the new features. The ones that will be available tomorrow, and the ones that will be available when the app launches in just a few more days. 2 weeks, we will be getting live stream video on the app, as well as the browser. We will be getting a TikTok type forum we're working on, so you guys can share your videos and all of your challenges. Thank you, sorry. It's been a long day, guys. I've had this is my second live event. I've had 4 or 5 different meetings, along with who knows how many little crises. I put that in quotes because, like, it seems like everything's a crisis with people. So I see that we cycled over again. I don't know how many of you guys know me, how many of you guys don't. My name is Nicholas White, CEO, owner of JLSW Media LLC, Whole Life Hosting. We present to you guys FreeSpace Social. Our platform, guys. Theirs first, then yours, then mine. What do I mean by that? I mean it goes out for my enemies first, to your enemies first. To those people that don't agree with what we think and what we say. And that is for you guys that have the same mentality as I do, that want the world to go in the same way as what I do. And then it is mine. I put myself last. And I know that is a very hard concept for a lot of Americans to understand. But know this, I created this platform for unity. And if I put anybody, or if I put myself before anybody on the platform, I've already started to break apart that unity. I want you guys to know that you can debate in the debate areas, and you guys can share with your family, your up and down, in a secure area where even your children are safe to post and read. Your home feed or your family feed is going to be a place where you and your children can feel safe and don't have to worry about seeing negativity or political debating and big business trying to push products on you and your children. I don't agree with it. I don't think that it should happen. And I think a lot of you guys feel the same way I do. We are going to cut this off here in a minute. I'm just going to, kind of recap and then say, adios for tonight. I'll be back in the morning, like clockwork. Well, maybe morning, maybe afternoon. My first one's really very in terms on what else I'm doing. I'm just getting ready to say goodbye, Timmy. I hope that you guys are doing very well. I hope you guys are having a blessed night. I hope that you guys hear what I'm trying to tell you. And I hope that you guys choose freedom. And I hope that you guys choose to be kind. We make 60,000 choices, guys. Every day. Every day you make 60,000. I'm asking you to make one of those choices to be human and kind. I know you guys have it in you. And I know that you guys want something better than Twitter and YouTube and Facebook. You guys deserve something better. And now there is a better choice. With that, I'm Nicholas White, JLSW Media LLC, Whole Life Hosting, presenting to you guys FreeSpace.social. There's the URL. It will be back up tomorrow. Please come join us. Come check it out. See what all the hype is about. I promise you, I want all of you there. I don't care what your core beliefs are. You deserve to have a voice. With that, I say goodnight. Be blessed and bless others.